What is going on, everyone, and welcome to Kart 6T3. My name is Ben. Thank you very much for stopping by. Real quick, if you didn't mind hitting a like on the video, I can't do it that fast. If you didn't mind hitting a like on the video, possibly subscribe to the channel if you're new here. If you are new here, oh my god, man, I'd start over, but it's kind of funny when I screw up. If you're new here, please subscribe. We talk about karts and parts and theorem and all sorts of stuff. I'm getting real close, guys. Order some stuff. Gonna be building the clone kart reel shortly here, which means videos for you guys, because if I'm gonna do it, I might as well get it on film and then put it on the channel, right? It's probably a good idea. Anyway, real quick before we get started here, I hadn't done it yet. It's been a couple weeks since this occurred for me. Sorry about that. I had to cough. Not so much a big deal for you. Huge deal for me. You see him back here. You see it. You see it here. You see it here. Beard Octane is back on board for 2024 on the 63 kart, not the 6T3, but the 63 kart. I can't thank Joe and Beard Octane enough for the support over these past couple of years. It really does help. As some of you guys saw, I've been selling off some stuff. Walt's making his way off. He's retiring. Leaves everything kind of on me. So Beard Octane sponsorship really, it comes in key here. If you're looking for beard products, I know a lot of you probably don't have beards, or if you're young and just trying to learn how to race karts, of course you're not going to have a beard. But they have things like this. Brand new product for them. Tiny, compact. What is this? This is a pocket side solid cologne. They have t-shirts, like the one I'm wearing here. Absolutely. Hopefully I can get it in there. I'll zoom in, do whatever I got to do. Anyway, t-shirts and all sorts of stuff, combs, anything you can think of relating to men's grooming. They're going to have it for you. Ben 10 is my affiliate discount. So when you guys buy stuff, you use that code. Not only does it save you 10%, but it also gives me a little bit in the tank too, and that helps with videos, that helps with racing, that helps with this whole thing that I'm doing here. So just quick shout out there. I have a platform to do it, so I'm gonna go ahead and do it. So thank you, Beard Octane, again for being on board 2024 season. Okay, back to the point. We got sponsorship out of the way. All right, let's get to the video. Is winning everything? These were two different video ideas I had. I just happened to be reading through them. I was like, those go together. Is winning everything, and respect is earned. Is winning everything? Yes and no. Everybody wants to win. Everybody goes to the track to win. It's why you race, man. You don't get out there thinking, I'm going to finish 10th, You may finish 10th. That may be an improvement for you, but we all go to win. What this is about is running people rough, running people dirty. Is it worth it? And I say no. Speaking from years of experience of driving way over my head, if you have a faster kart, you just have to learn patience. If you start to rough people up and you make a name for yourself, not only are you going to get called on, but you're not always going to be the fastest kart. No matter who's sitting back in your pits or whoever's, on the side of the track, you should have taken that guy out. You should have done this. Don't. Filter that out. Don't listen to that. Respect is earned, not given. If you're a faster kart and you're working a guy, you just can't quite get that win, take the L for the day. Take a second. Live to fight another day. And when that person goes back and they see that that respect was given, that you didn't rough them up, that you didn't put them in the wild, you didn't spin them out, you didn't do all these things that nobody should do, that may come on back to you. Maybe you're leading the next time. Maybe that guy catches you. Maybe they're slightly faster and they choose not to dump you because of what you did. It is a huge thing. Like I said, I have years and years, and I never maliciously took out anybody. Did I barrel it in there with, any regard for what was going to happen to their kart? Nope. Did I do it on purpose? Just like, hey, I'm going to knock this guy. No, I didn't. I was just thinking, here's a hole. I'm going to stick my nose in it. I'm going to go for the position. I still kind of drive that way 20 some odd years later. little more patient with that. Know that, hey, maybe that's not such a good idea to just barrel in there. Does it still happen? Sometimes, you know, it is racing. Crap happens, especially bull rings. Things happen, you know, just look at you split. I'm no saint. In no way, no shape, no how am I a saint, nor are any of you. So don't pretend that you are. But it's just kind of a point to, you know, get across to some veterans. You know, obviously, some people are set in their ways. Some people don't care. Winning is everything to them. And if you're in the way, you're not in the way anymore. You're getting shipped, whatever it is. I'm going to the front no matter what. I have the faster cart, and that's just, you know, that I could get into a whole thing about societal, you know, arrogance and all that stuff, but I won't. This is a cart channel, but that type of attitude, like the people in your way do not matter. They do matter to me, and they do matter to a lot of people. So try and use better discretion while passing, because that win, it may get you a little bit extra money. It may, you know, hey, look at, I get my photo, you know, in victory lane, congratulations. But what was it worth it? You know, if that person you roughed up comes up and puts you in the wall and takes a spindle out, pops a tire, takes you out of a point championship, was it worth it? And I don't think so. I can speak from experience. Like I said, try not to do it. I don't think I've ever, it's not that I've never been upset. I don't confront people that have gotten into me on the track. I rarely ever say anything. I just go back to my pits, get your stuff faster. That's the way to beat them. But that's me. I know that's not everybody, but that's me. I don't ever want to be in that position where I can get talked to. I don't do it to other people. I don't want other people to do it. I'm a very golden rule type of person. So there's that. But I only say that to try and, you know, reflect on you, you know, to try and be that way. You know, maybe instead of confronting somebody, yelling at somebody, whatever, going by, choose the higher road. Go back, fix your stuff, realize where you could be faster, where you could beat them, where you can pass them smoothly without contact, get by them, and that will show, hey, I've got better speed than you do. So just you know, kind of a fun video for me. I like this type of stuff. I know it's not it's not the same as showing you guys all the carts and parts and stuff, but I like this type of mental stuff, because racing is mental. Yes, there's physical, there's forces, there's G-forces, there's chemicals, there's all this stuff that goes into the actual form of racing. But unless you're right up here, unless you're making the right decisions, it's gonna be all for naught. If you start making bad decisions and getting yourself in situations where you don't want to be, it could be a rough time at the track. So there you go, guys. I really do appreciate you. Like I said, beard acting, hit them up. You need anything like that, colognes. Might stink at their track, like, oh, damn, let's just pop that out of your pocket, rub a little cologne on you, don't stink no more. All right, guys, I really do appreciate you stopping by, and 2 videos a week is coming very soon, very soon. Parts are on order, they're coming. So 2 videos a week coming soon, and I'll catch you in the next video. Later.